In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer contacts from your Mi account to your Gmail account. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps, so let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to sign into your Mi account. Open up a web browser on your device and navigate to i.mi.com. This is your gateway to accessing all the features and data stored in your Mi account. Once you've reached the site, enter your login details. If you don't remember your password, there should be a "Forgot Password" link to help you reset it. Once logged in, you're ready to move on to the next steps. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate your contacts. Look around the dashboard of your Mi account for the Contacts section. This is where all your Mi stored contacts are listed. From here, look for an option labeled Export Contacts. This feature is essential for moving your contact information from one service to another. When you find it, click on it. Upon clicking Export Contacts, you'll be asked to choose a format to save your contacts. Select the vCard option. The vCard format is widely recognized and compatible with most contact management services, including Google Contacts. Once you've made your selection, download the vCard file to your device. Make sure you save it somewhere accessible, such as your desktop or a dedicated downloads folder, so you can easily find it in the next step. The next phase involves Google Contacts, so open another web browser tab. Type in Google Contacts or contacts.google.com to access Google's contact management interface. This platform offers a clean, user-friendly way to handle all your contact needs directly linked to your Gmail account. In Google Contacts, look to the left panel for an option called Import. Clicking this will open the Import wizard. Here, you'll be prompted to select the vCard file you just downloaded from your Mi account. Locate and select the vCard file on your device, then confirm the import. Google Contacts will begin processing the file immediately. Depending on the size of your contact list, this may take a few moments. You might want to use this time to stretch or grab a quick coffee. Before you know it, Google will have completed the transfer. Once Google has finished processing, your contacts will seamlessly appear in your Gmail account, ready for you to access whenever you need. And there you have it, your contacts are now successfully transferred from your Mi account to your Gmail account, all without a hitch. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. With these easy steps, managing your contacts across different platforms is as smooth as ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a wonderful day.